Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to view your archived messages on Facebook Messenger. If you've ever accidentally archived a conversation or simply want to look back at an old chat, don't worry. It's easy to retrieve your archived messages. To view your archived messages on Facebook Messenger, you'll need to follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Facebook Messenger first. Open the Facebook Messenger app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Tap your profile picture next. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Tap Archived Chats from your profile page. Scroll down until you see the Archived Chats option. Tap on it to view your archived conversations. Step 4. Select the conversation you want to view. You'll now see a list of all your archived conversations. To view a conversation, simply tap on it. Step 5. Unarchive the conversation, optional. If you want to unarchive a conversation and move it back to your inbox, simply tap and hold on the conversation, then select Unarchive from the pop-up menu. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view your archived messages on Facebook Messenger. Archiving conversations is a great way to keep your inbox organized and tidy. However, it's important to remember that archived messages are still accessible, so be mindful of what you're archiving. If you want to permanently delete a conversation, you'll need to delete it instead of archiving it. In conclusion, viewing your archived messages on Facebook Messenger is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few taps. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for your favorite apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.